Toodaloo, a quirky goodbye. Hello wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fun English phrase that you might hear in casual conversations. Toodaloo. It's a quirky way of saying goodbye. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it. Toodaloo is an informal and playful way of saying goodbye. It's not used in formal settings, but you might hear it among friends or in light-hearted situations. While it's recognized by many English speakers, it's considered somewhat old-fashioned and whimsical. You're more likely to hear it in older movies or read it in books than in everyday modern speech. The exact origin of Toodaloo is a bit unclear. However, it's believed to have come from the phrase Toodaloo, which in turn might be derived from the French à tout à l'heure, meaning see you later. Over time, the phrase was anglicized and became the Toodaloo we know today. Using Toodaloo is simple. You can use it just like you would use goodbye. Here are a couple of examples. 1. It was great catching up with you. Toodaloo. 2. I need to head out now. Toodaloo. Remember, since it's informal and playful, you might want to avoid using it in serious situations or with people you don't know well. It's best suited for casual conversations with friends or loved ones. So there you have it. Toodaloo is a fun, informal way to say goodbye in English. While it might not be the most common phrase you'll hear today, it's a charming part of the English language. We hope you enjoyed learning about it. Toodaloo for now, and happy learning!